10 unknown AI tools that will blow your mind. The field of artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging on a regular basis. While some AI tools have gained widespread recognition, there is a treasure trove of lesser-known AI innovations that have the potential to revolutionize industries, simplify tasks, and enhance our daily lives. 10. Era. Era is an innovative AI tool that has the potential to transform the lives of visually impaired individuals. While not as widely recognized as some mainstream AI applications, Era employs a combination of augmented reality, AR, and human-assisted technology to provide real-time visual assistance to those with visual impairments. The way Era works is truly impressive. Users wear smart glasses equipped with cameras that capture their surroundings. These live video feeds are transmitted to trained human agents who can provide users with descriptions of their environment, read text, guide them through unfamiliar places, and even assist with everyday tasks like shopping or reading. Era's integration of AI and human expertise demonstrates the power of AI in enhancing accessibility and inclusivity for people with disabilities. 9. Qi Chatbot. Qi is a lesser-known yet highly sophisticated chatbot platform that caters to the needs of businesses. While chatbots have become increasingly common in customer service, Qi stands out for its advanced natural language understanding (NLU) capabilities and versatile application. Qi is designed to provide personalized and context-aware responses, making it adept at handling complex customer inquiries and conversations. It can be seamlessly integrated into websites, mobile apps, and messaging platforms, enabling businesses to enhance customer interactions, streamline support processes, and gather valuable insights from user interactions. 8. Suki AI. Suki AI is a groundbreaking AI tool that is poised to revolutionize medical documentation and alleviate the administrative burden on healthcare professionals. While electronic health records, EHRs, have become standard in healthcare, they often require physicians to spend a significant amount of time on data entry and documentation. Suki AI leverages natural language processing (NLP) and speech recognition technology to enable physicians to dictate patient notes and clinical documentation. What sets Suki AI apart is its specialized understanding of medical terminology and context, allowing it to accurately transcribe medical conversations and generate structured medical records. By automating the documentation process, Suki AI not only saves valuable time for healthcare providers but also reduces the risk of errors and improves overall patient care. 7. Replica. In an era where loneliness and mental health issues are growing concerns, Replica offers a unique and relatively unknown AI solution. Replica is an AI-powered chatbot designed to provide companionship and conversation for users seeking emotional support or simply a virtual friend. What distinguishes Replica is its advanced conversational capabilities and its capacity to develop personalized interactions with users over time. Users engage in conversations with their Replica chatbot, sharing thoughts, feelings, and experiences. 6. Pelterian. Pelterian is an AI platform that excels in tackling complex problem-solving tasks, particularly in fields like data science and machine learning. While many AI tools focus on specific applications or verticals, Pelterian stands out for its versatility and comprehensive approach to AI model development. Pelterian provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows data scientists and developers to design, train, and deploy deep learning models with ease. It supports a wide range of AI applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. What sets Pelterian apart is its emphasis on democratizing AI, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. 5. Unity ML Agents. Unity ML Agents is an exciting AI tool that caters to the world of game development and simulation. While the gaming industry often pushes the boundaries of technology, Unity ML Agents takes it a step further by enabling the integration of reinforcement learning algorithms into video games and virtual environments. This AI tool, developed by Unity Technologies, allows game developers to create intelligent, adaptive non-player characters, NPCs, and virtual agents. These AI-driven entities can learn and adapt their behavior based on interactions with players in the game environment. Unity ML Agents opens up new possibilities for creating dynamic and immersive gaming experiences, as well as simulating complex real-world scenarios in areas like autonomous vehicles, robotics, and training simulations. 4. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT, short for bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is a groundbreaking natural language processing (NLP) model developed by Google AI. While BERT has gained recognition among NLP researchers and practitioners, its full potential and impact are still not widely understood by the general public. BERT is a transformer-based neural network architecture that excels in understanding the context and nuances of human language. It has set new benchmarks in various NLP tasks, such as text classification, sentiment analysis, and question answering. What makes BERT truly remarkable is its ability to capture the bidirectional context of words, enabling it to grasp the meaning of a word based on its surrounding words, both before and after. 3. OpenAI GPT-3. OpenAI's GPT-3, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a colossal AI model that has taken the world of language generation by storm. While it has garnered attention within the AI and tech spheres, its potential applications and transformative impact on various industries remain underappreciated by the broader public. GPT-3 is an autoregressive language model with a staggering 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest and most powerful AI models ever created. It has demonstrated the ability to generate human-like text, complete sentences, paragraphs, and even entire articles, all with remarkable coherence and context awareness. 2. Waymo. While autonomous vehicles have made headlines in recent years, Waymo's autonomous driving technology stands out as a pioneering and underappreciated AI tool. Waymo, formerly known as the Google Self-Driving Car Project, has been at the forefront of developing autonomous vehicles that have the potential to reshape transportation, urban planning, and logistics. Waymo's autonomous driving system relies on a combination of advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and extensive real-world testing. What sets Waymo apart is its focus on achieving a level of safety and reliability that is paving the way for the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles. 1. Wolfram Alpha. Topping our list of unknown AI tools that will blow your mind is Wolfram Alpha, a computational knowledge engine that is a true marvel of artificial intelligence. While it may not be as famous as some consumer-facing AI products, Wolfram Alpha has been quietly transforming the way we access and compute information. Wolfram Alpha is not a traditional search engine. It's a computational engine that understands and computes answers to queries, rather than providing a list of web links. It can tackle a wide range of queries, from mathematical calculations and scientific inquiries to demographic data and historical facts. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.